We'll look at some of the top barndominium designs available online in today's video. You may wonder what a barndominium is. It's essentially a cross between a barn and a condominium, so you can have a roomy and cozy living area with a garage or shop attached. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Just wait until you see these gorgeous barndominium examples that I've chosen for you. To ensure that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell before we begin. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you find it enjoyable. I would adore hearing from you. Okay, let's get started. These are a few of the top barndominium designs I could find online. The first is a two-story barndominium with more than 2,700 square feet of living space. It's known as the Round Rock. In addition to a spacious kitchen, living room, dining area, and loft, it features 3 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. The house's exterior has a modern and rustic appearance thanks to the stone accents and metal siding. In addition, the home features a 3-car garage that can accommodate your cars and tools, as well as a wraparound porch. With white walls, hardwood floors, and vaulted ceilings, the interior of the home is light and spacious. The kitchen has a sizable island, lots of cabinets and stainless steel appliances. The living room features sliding glass doors that open to the porch, a built-in entertainment center, and a cozy fireplace. A walk-in closet and an en-suite bathroom with a double vanity, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower are both located in the master bedroom. You can utilize the loft space as an additional bedroom, a playroom, or an office. For people who wish to live comfortably and stylishly in the country, Round Rock is the ideal barndominium. The next one is a 1-story barndominium with more than 2,100 square feet of living space, and it's named Red Rocks. It features a kitchen, a living room, a dining area, 2 bathrooms, and 3 bedrooms. The house's red and white exterior paint job makes a dramatic contrast to the surrounding greenery. In addition, the home has a covered porch and a 3-car garage for your hobbies and storage requirement, with wood floors, beige walls, and rustic accents. The interior of the house exudes warmth and coziness. The kitchen has white cabinets, granite countertops, and an L-shaped design. The living room features large windows that let in natural light, a ceiling fan, and a stone fireplace. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet, a tray ceiling, and an en-suite bathroom with a soaking tub, a double vanity, and a walk-in shower. A tub-shower combo bathroom is shared by the other 2 bedrooms. For those looking for a comfortable and tranquil place to live, the Red Rocks is an excellent barndominium. Let's move on to the Jonesboro, a 2-story barndominium with a living area of more than 1,500 square feet. It features a kitchen, a living room, a dining area, 2 bathrooms, and 2 bedrooms. The metal roof and wood siding on the exterior of the house give it a warm and inviting appearance. The property also features a 3-car garage that can be used as your studio or workshop, as well as a balcony. The house's interior, with its white walls, black accents, and tile floors, is understated yet elegant. The kitchen has gray cabinets, black appliances, and a U-shaped design. The living room features a TV mounted on the wall, a coffee table, and a black leather sofa. The master bedroom features a closet, an en-suite bathroom with a single vanity and a walk-in shower, and a sliding glass door that opens to the balcony. The other bedroom features a tub-shower combo and a hall bathroom with a single vanity. For those who desire a simple yet practical home, the Jonesboro is a great barndominium. The Stillwater, a 2-story barndominium with more than 3,200 square feet of living space, is the next building. In addition to a kitchen, living room, dining area, office, and bonus room, it features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. The metal siding and stone trims on the exterior of the house give it a refined and classy appearance. In addition, the home features a 3-car garage that can accommodate your cars and equipment, as well as a covered porch. The house has a large, opulent interior with gray walls, white trim, and hardwood floors. Stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, and an island with a sink are the features of the kitchen. The living room features sliding glass doors that open to the porch, a sectional sofa, and a stone fireplace. The master bedroom features 2 walk-in closets, a tray ceiling, and an en-suite bathroom with a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and 2 vanities. Each of the other 3 bedrooms has a private bathroom and wardrobe. Shelves and desks are built into the office. You can use the bonus room as an additional bedroom, a media room, or a game room. For people who desire a large and opulent home, the Stillwater is a fantastic barndominium. Next up is the 1-story barndominium called the Davenport. which has a living area of more than 1,600 square feet. It features a kitchen, a living room, a dining area, 2 bathrooms, and 3 bedrooms. The house's exterior is painted white and blue, giving it a light and welcoming appearance. In addition, there's a 2-car garage with space for storing toys and personal items, as well as a covered porch. The house's interior features white walls, blue accents, and laminate flooring for a modern yet comfortable look. The kitchen has white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a peninsula with a breakfast bar. The living room features a TV mounted on the wall, a coffee table, and a blue sofa. The master bedroom features an en-suite bathroom with a walk-in shower and a single vanity. The hall bathroom, which has a tub shower combo and 1 vanity, is shared by the other 2 bedrooms. For individuals seeking a contemporary yet comfortable residence, the Davenport is a charming barndominium. The Blue Ridge, a 1-story barndominium with more than 1,700 square feet of living space, is the next building. It features a kitchen, a living room, a dining area, and 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The house's exterior has a modern and rustic appearance thanks to the metal siding and wood accents. The home also features a 2-car garage that can accommodate your cars and equipment, as well as a covered porch. The house's interior features wood trim, gray walls, and vinyl flooring for a sleek and cozy look. The kitchen has wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and an island with a sink. The living room features sliding glass doors that open to the porch, a leather sofa, and a wood-burning stove. In addition to 2 closets, the master bedroom features an en-suite bathroom with 2 vanities, a walk-in shower, and a soaking tub. Each of the other 2 bedrooms has a private bathroom and wardrobe. For people who desire a chic and cozy home, the Blue Ridge is a fantastic barndominium. And here are some advantages of barndominium homes. They are durable and low maintenance, as they are made of metal that can withstand harsh weather, fire, pests, and corrosion. They also require less upkeep and repairs than traditional homes. They are customizable and flexible, as they can be designed and modified according to the preferences and needs of the homeowners. They can also be expanded or rearranged easily by adding or removing modules. They're spacious and comfortable, as they offer a lot of interior space and high ceilings. They can also be insulated and ventilated to create a cozy and pleasant living environment. They are affordable and efficient, as they are cheaper to build, buy, or rent than conventional homes. They also save money on energy bills, as they can use solar panels, LED lighting, and natural ventilation to reduce their power consumption. They are versatile and multifunctional, as they can be used for various purposes such as residential, commercial, industrial, or agricultural. They can also accommodate different features and amenities, such as garages, shops, stables, or porches. This concludes the video. I hope you find it entertaining and useful. Which barndominium among these was your favorite? Tell me in the comments section below. Remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this one. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye!